Welcome to 14120 Tattersall Place in Germantown, Maryland. I don't usually start my tours inside the house, but I want to take you out to see this backyard because it is truly spectacular. After that, we'll come back inside. Come on, let's go take a look. This deck is perfect for alfresco dining, just hanging out, enjoying this beautiful vista. Come on, I'll take you inside. This primary bedroom is massive with two separate walk-in closets. And wait till you see this spa-like primary bathroom. Come take a look. This open floor plan is so inviting. And then you've got this sunroom where you can take in this spectacular backyard. Thank you for touring 14120 Tattersall Place with me in Germantown. This is a spectacular house. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a really beautiful wet bar downstairs. If you have any questions, give me a call, 301-802-4182. Thanks a lot.